Please, I insist. I would like you to accompany me to Pizza Hut.
Look forward to it. Thank you.
Pizza Hut? Yes. So let me get this right.
Spacely Sprocket's here, who's now the man in charge, the mayor Gov, who wants to take me to dinner at Pizza Hut. Though Lord knows I wouldn't mind a pizza. So, what's with this cocktail guy anyway? He says I saved his life, which I'm not even sure I did, and my reward is dinner and dancing at Pizza Hut? I mean, hey, I like a big fat piece of pizza, but come on.
Your tone is quasi-facetious, but you do not realize that Pizza Hut was the only restaurant to survive the franchise wars.
So?
So? Now all restaurants are Pizza Hut.
No way.
Welcome to Pizza Hut.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Garden in the valley of the jolly green giant. Good things from the garden in the valley of the jolly green giant.
I'll take that.
There we are. Spartan over there, please. And Lieutenant. Thank you. Would you,
Yes, it is.
yes.
Hi.
And,
How you guys doing?
yeah.
Mellow, thank you.
Fine. Yes.
Enjoy your meal, sir.
Good thing I'm hungry.
Don't get a truck! Grab the big box. Come on. Don't!
What the hell?